Hi, today I will show you the basics of how to make your own detachable cable mod for any headphones. It's quite easy. You can find several headphones on my channel for which I have done this modification on different manufacturers, improving both the comfort and the lifespan of my headphones. As always, to repair headphones you will need to buy a few tools, maybe even borrow some from your grandmother, and purchase a 3.5mm socket. Both 3 or 4 pole socket will work. Sockets come in different types and prices. I will be using this particular one, as it's much more solid and sticks better in the headphone housing. The link to the socket is in the video description. Once you have everything you need for the detachable cable mod project, start by removing the old airpod on the side of the headphones where the cable goes in. Then unscrew all the screws of the air cup. Cut off the old cable, but leave enough length so that the remaining cable will reach the new socket. Pull out the cable fixing rubber. You won't need it. Then remove the cable's outer jacket to access the wires. Choose the 3.5 socket that best fits your headphone's body. If the socket does not fit in the housing hole, create a larger hole in the headphone housing using a file or a drill. The hole must be precise so that the sockets fit perfectly. Insert the wires through the headphone housing. Tin these wires to make them easier to solder to the new socket. Then tin the socket contacts. Next, solder the wires to the socket. Just remember the correct wiring layout for the socket. In my case, the red wire is the right channel positive, the gold wire is for both channel grounds, and the blue wire is for the left contact. Once all the wires are soldered to the socket, twist the wire slightly. Apply superglue to the edge of the hole in the headphone housing, as well as to the edge of the socket. Push the socket into the headphone housing and press it down firmly, so that it glues well. Coat the socket contacts with grandpa nail polish to prevent short circuits. Once the glue has dried, screw the air cap back on and put the airpod cushion back in place. I will show you how to get new airpod cushions in the next video. Then run my left and right channel test video to ensure everything is soldered properly and the headphones are working as they should. The URL for the test video is in the video description. Here is the result. It looks good. This detachable cable feature should have been included from the factory. Just remember, when doing this detachable cable mod, you need to buy a new 3.5 cable or attach a 3.5 jack on the old stock cable. See the next video for an easy way to do this and save money. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. My grandmother and I will be very happy if you like this video. Thanks.